Hello guys, let me show you how to add a calendar on the always-on display on your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. But before we start, don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So we have two ways how to do this. The first way is let's unlock the phone and now press and hold the screen and you'll see this editor mode. Let's click right here on the widgets tab. Let me show you. Just click it and choose calendar option. Now we have two options how it will look. Let's choose this one. And then click done button. And now let's lock the screen to see the changes. And here's the calendar. So let me show you the second way, but firstly let's remove this calendar from widgets. Great. Now let's unlock the phone and go in settings. Here we need to scroll till we see this lock screen and always on display tab. Just click it and now go in edit lock screen. And right here you can do the same thing. So just click on these widgets, choose calendar, and here let's choose another option, this one. And then click done button. And let's check it. So everything is working. And that's all. I hope this video was useful for you and thank you so much for watching.